Hello everybody, now let me show you how to use the 3 control function with our smart light switches. Here we have 3 one-gun switches. I named them A, B, and C for easy understanding. At first, of course, you need to install the switches. Switch A connects to the lamp and the power, but the switch B and C only need connecting to the power. Then we start to match the function. To hold pressing A, here there is 2 times words. 1, 2. Quickly leave pressing, then to press B and C. Within 10 seconds. After that, wait for a moment till when there is one voice together from all the switches. Okay. Now it's okay. Let's check the function. When you only need 2 control function just to match the 2 switches. So you see, with our smart light switches, you will get your light decoration much more easy and convenient. And more, if you choose our smart home control center together, you can control the lamps remotely by your mobile phone. For more information, welcome to contact with us. Thank you.